Today we will be presenting on AI-powered predictive maintenance.
Predictive maintenance combines Internet of Things sensors with artificial intelligence. Machines generate data, like vibration, temperature, or pressure, which then AI analyzes to spot early warning signs of breakdowns. Instead of fixing equipment after it fails, companies know ahead of time when to repair it. This process allows maintenance teams to schedule repairs during planned downtimes, minimizing disruptions to production. Over time, the system also learns from past data, becoming even more accurate at predicting potential issues before they happen.
This technology creates business value by reducing unexpected downtime. A single hour of downtime in an automotive factory can cost over $1 million. It also creates value by saving on costly emergency repairs and extending equipment lifespan. For example, manufacturers report up to a 30 to 40% reduction in maintenance costs using AI-based predictive maintenance.
Predictive maintenance boosts safety by preventing surprise breakdowns, cuts costs, and keeps machines running. Using shared data-driven insights, operations, IT, and maintenance build trust and transparent, efficient culture that avoids preventable mistakes.
Predictive maintenance is also an excellent example of digital transformation. It automates what used to be a manual, guest-based process. It democratizes data, meaning maintenance engineers, plant managers, and executives can all view the same dashboards and act on the same insights. It reduces user friction since equipment failures are no longer a constant surprise. In other words, predictive maintenance helps transform traditional industries into smarter, digitally enabled organizations.
An important example of predictive maintenance is in the aviation industry. Delta Airlines uses AI to continuously monitor its jet engines. By applying machine learning, Delta can detect signs of wear long before passengers or mechanics would ever notice a problem. This allows them to schedule repairs overnight or between flights, instead of grounding aircraft at the last minute. The result is fewer cancellations, better safety, and millions of dollars saved every year.
As IoT sensors become cheaper and AI models more accurate, adoption will spread across industries. The next step is integration with digital twins, virtual replicas of machines that simulate how they behave under different conditions. This allows organizations to test potential failures in a digital environment before they happen in the real world. However, companies face high upfront costs to install sensors. They need large amounts of clean data, and they must train their workforce to interpret AI insights. Overcoming these challenges will determine how quickly predictive maintenance scales.
AI-driven predictive maintenance is reshaping industry, cutting downtime and costs, improving safety, and turning reactive repairs into proactive data-driven strategies. From airlines to factories to energy, it's a perfect example of how emerging technologies can create lasting business value.